bless me. Without my Hennessy strip, me no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Think of me girls all around me, me no chaser. How we go exist? Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to every man where they fight for their responsibility. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to every man where they do everything for the family. Who say man no day? So who say man no day? See, if man no day, if Poppy no day, then wait till we gain. If man no.
The sauce is empty. Hi, Lovelees. I'm in my other favorite place, Michael's. My son's birthday is today. So, if you guys watched the previous vlog where I thought, like, where am I going to get the balloons at when my son has his birthday? I have some stuff at home, too, because I bought something in that vlog. I still had to come to Michael's. So, when Michael's has balloons, I am here getting balloons. So, I'm so happy about that. So, I have some to do balloons right there. And I forgot, now I see the epic birthday with the gamer. I didn't get that one. I got something else for him. But anyway, it is what it is. Maybe that'll be next year. But anyway, those are the designs they got. And this is all the little cute stuff they have for birthdays. I'm so glad they're doing this. My son likes Paw Patrol, basically because of the song. He's so funny. He likes the song. He loves music. Anything music. He loves music. So anyway, these are like their balloons. So the young lady here is so creative. She is helping me do this. So see this? Oh, here she is right now. Vlog, yeah. Say hi to vlog. So thank you. See my beautiful Michael's associate. She's putting the balloons together. They're so pretty. My son should be happy. Cute. Okay, lovelies, this is how the beautiful balloon turned out for my son. I wasn't really sure like how it was going to turn out because I've never got any balloons from Michael's because it was always Party City. Even the young lady who waited on me was like, she used to go to Party City for like all her costumes too. So like that's another issue. Like where do people go now for the costumes? I guess that one place that opens up every year around Halloween. I forgot the name of it right now. But anyway, y'all probably know because I'm sure it opens up everywhere. But anyway, this is how it turned out. Like I told you, my son likes Paw Patrol. So just for now, I mean, he likes the song more than anything. He don't even watch the show really. I watch the show more than him. Okay, but anyway, I like this balloon, but the one that I would have got for him was like a gaming balloon, but I saw it too late. And the girl, I didn't want to put her through all of that. She had started already like putting the helium in them and stuff, and I said I'm not gonna put her through all of that to like change it or whatever. So I chose this one because it had the cute little balloons inside, and I just thought that was adorable to me. And then we played on the colors. She was like, I was like, well, what colors you think? And she was like, well, yellow. And when she said yellow, she first said like 4 balloons, and I said no, let's do 6 because you said yellow. So I said we could do 2 of each color. So we did red, blue, and yellow. You know. So let me step back a little bit so you guys can see it. So it is standing on the floor. You know, these are the Air Forces that my husband got for my son. He loves Air Forces, but I got him some little cheapy gym shoes too, some Reeboks because, you know, I don't want him messing up these Air Forces. They cost a lot. Then I got him a bunch of clothes, as you can see. That's me. I'm the clothes girl. I will get the kids clothes. And then I got him this stuff. Of course, his sister got him some stuff too. And we're taking him out today. And hopefully he will have a great day. We hope so. But anyway, yeah, this is just like his art stuff. I really want him to get more into his like arts and stuff, you know, this year. And, you know, going into next year and stuff. Because he haven't really been taking it serious, but I want him to take it more seriously. This little cute thing, I got this for like back to school. I thought it was just too cute, the mini, you know, backpack. And we do play basketball sometimes. And then his art stuff. And then we got this from like Michael's. You know, he loves music. He loves all kinds of music, like all kinds of genres. He's from like modern to old school to, you know, pop, rock, country. He just loves music. Then that's the letter E. I got that for him. We got this, and of course like I said, my daughter got a bunch of stuff for him too, but this is not her haul for him. I don't even know if she's gonna say anything about it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Dad got him these shoes and everything, and helped of course buy the clothes, you know what I'm saying. And what else? Yeah, so that's it right now. Oh, and I got the cake, which I got to show you guys the cake, so I'll cut the camera off so you can see the cake too. The cake, and I also got a cookie this time too. So all right, this is the cake, and it's one of those cakes that has different colors inside. I hope they said it's vanilla inside, but I hope it's not chocolate cake inside. That I won't like. But I tried the cake, like the mixed cake before. If you saw my graduation vlog that I did for my daughter, then it had pink and blue inside, so I'm anxious to see what color is inside of this one, because it's different. But this is so cute, and they wrote on it for us, and it was so pretty. Then, of course, I got the cookie. This was all at Walmart, by the way. Walmart has some really delicious cakes. Don't sleep on Walmart if you want some affordable cakes, because I used to, for years, go to the bakery and pay $60 and $50 for the cake. To me, it tastes no better than the one I get over here for like $15, and I paid $10 for this. So together, all this was like $27. That's a bargain, you know, for like desserts for your holiday birthdays to celebrate and stuff. This cookie, I've never tried it, so I'm hoping it's good, but it was decorated so nicely. I said, why not, you know? It's a birthday, why not? The only thing I didn't get was like ice cream, but I feel like this, we could go eat ice cream at like La Michoacana or something. But so yeah, that's it for right now. If I have more festivities and information for you guys, of course I'm going to keep you posted, and you'll see my cutie pie come home soon. Then his auntie Nina, not Auntie Rini. Auntie Nina stopped by last night to get him this beautiful shirt, which I got to pause the camera again to show you guys that the shirts are just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to show you guys the shirt. She did a shirt for him last year too, but this year, oh my God, this year she just went over and beyond. She's so creative. If she ever starts a business, trust me, I'm going to be putting the links in every description, and you guys need to support her, okay? All right. Hey, lovelies. I'm here with another vlog. This is kind of like for Mother's Day. I got this dress last night, and it just did not look flattering on me, so I'm about to take this back to the mall. So that's the vibe of the day. Then I got these items. I might vlog about these. I thought I wasn't going to get this. This is like for Mother's Day's gifts for family members and stuff. So they told me they weren't going to get this to me till after the 12th. So I was like, the 12th? Mother's Day is on the 10th. Or the 11th, I mean, yeah. So I was like, I'm not going to have these in time. But finally, they were sending them one by one, one by one, one by one. It was the first time I had ever ordered from the place. So I didn't know. So hopefully everybody likes what they got. But if they don't, I tried, you know. And it's from that company right there. So if I can vlog about it, I will. But anyway, I'm off to the mall real quickly to exchange this and get something that I really like from a different store. Okay, lovelies, bye. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, lovelies, I'm on my way to the mall. So I have to get this dress returned now because, what is today? Wednesday? Yeah, Sunday is Mother's Day, so I don't have too many days left. So I'm going to go ahead and try to deal with that now and go on and get it out the way. So I had to put this phone up because I'm driving and I do not want to talk and drive. Okay? Bye.
Yeah, you could be the greatest, you could be the best. You could be the King Kong banging on your chest. You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door. You could throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. Yeah. Shout out to the homeowners, the girls that got diplomas and enough money to loan us a little something extra. Should we ever need it? If it sounds like you, then let me hear you repeat it. Fancy, huh? Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. Here's to the one that keep the passion. Respect. Oh yeah. Here's to the one that got the magic. Respect. Oh yeah. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are. You try to enjoy. Make we dance like Luala. Yeah, Luala.